everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's how to remove the dispenser drawer on your Siemens washing machine. It's definitely a good idea to clean out your dispenser drawer about every 6 months because you don't want any gunk and gunge and washing powder residue going down and getting on your clothes when you're doing a wash. There's a link above now about how to install a brand new washing machine. Okay, this is the Siemens washing machine here, and this is a Vario Perfect washing machine. So to remove the dispenser drawer, just put your hand underneath there and just pull it out until it won't go any further. Then what you do is you just push down on this blue button here, which then releases it, and then you can remove the dispenser drawer. Now this one is in absolutely tip-top condition. So here's one that I prepared earlier from a disgusting washing machine. So what you're doing is you're taking your partner's toothbrush and just giving it a good clean with hot soapy water. Before you put the dispenser drawer back in, it's definitely worth cleaning the inside of the dispenser drawer there with a cloth. There's a link above now on various how-to guides on all sorts of makes and models of washing machines. And to put it back in, just push that button down, line it up with the grooves and push it all the way home. Whilst you're doing some maintenance, it's definitely worth opening the door and just checking the rubbers. Make sure that those drainage holes are nice and clear and that there's no dirt in here. Just give that a good clean. Then it's worth putting the washing machine on the hottest wash that it will go on with nothing in it, just to flush it through. And then don't forget to put your partner's toothbrush back and hope they don't notice. I'll tell you what, after all that hard work, it's definitely time for a lovely cup of tea. Oh. If you would like more videos on how to save you time and money, then please press the subscribe button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, everyone. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.